Alright, just bought this, pretty hefty, but see, it's quite a crappy case, eh? HeatKiller for 6900 XT. Yeah, there's a little bump here. And it comes, yeah, I expected a better packaging. Maybe there's secondary packaging inside. So let's just open this up. Nope, no secondary packaging inside. So straight away you see here, probably in German, thank you, blah blah blah. Well, I really didn't expect this kind of rough paper. Right, so it gives you a dimension here. From what I remember, I was struggling to find any information on the dimensions, but here you have it. Yeah, and they even tell you, how much additional clearance you have with the PCIe connector. So that's quite cool. In, outlet, blah blah blah. Alright, we got a protective foam here, and there you have it. I think I didn't get the RGB version. Wow, it's pretty hefty. Yeah, this is not the RGB version. You could see this scratches and dirt here. It's my first time water cooling, so I'm not very sure if that's normal. Right? Yeah, let's see how it goes. Does it look used? I don't know. Yeah, but I really don't think that, you see the scratches here, that this can be flushed. Yeah. Okay, but it still seems sealed. Yeah, and this is the back of it, right? So it should fit any kind of reference card that you see here, and yeah. So it comes with a bunch of screws here, right? Let's see, it's actually all the same size, and it comes with washer. And then you've got some thermal pads, I'm assuming for the VRAM. It really feels kind of cheap, to be frank. Wait, let me see if it's just really dusty. I mean, there's dust all over this. And you can see all of the imperfections here. I'm not sure if I can focus this. Right. Yeah. But all in all, pretty cool design. Lift this at the side. You got thermal pads, and yeah, a thermal grizzly. Comes with thermal grizzly thermal paste, which I think is quite a good thermal paste, and that's all you get.